So this is the bathroom, as you can see. So like a wall mirror. And then that's the rain shower head. And then it's like also an attachment right over there. It's the little toilet area. Then that's the front entrance, closet. Just has our stuff in there. So here, and it's just like a wall closet. This is the room. So it's double bed. It's my son and I, and the ceilings are really high. And then there's a desk area and a TV. They have like a little mini bar area as well. And then this is the deck area. It's not much of a view. I didn't really request a ocean view or anything.